Hey Bobby, so the car hasn't been started yet. I'll just do a remote start on it. And then we'll open up the hood. Let me just get closer to it so you can hear it on a colder start. And here we go. 1 and 2. 1, 2. It'll shut off as soon as the remote start basically won't allow the hood to be open. Okay, here we go. Okay. A little bit of dirt, but nothing crazy. Sounds absolutely healthy. I mean, there was no mechanical issue of any size, no mechanical damage of any sort. Can't even talk today, I'm sorry. Oh, and look at that, there's a hood in the hole in the hood. Boom. And let's go inside. I gotta say though, this is one of the funnest cars that I've driven in a long time. I mean, it is powerful. It just good old American muscle. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas. Idles perfectly. There's no vibrations, nothing funky about it, just the way it should be. Now all you got to do is get in and just have a blast.